In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by launching your web browser and navigating to the Hostinger website where you can bring your idea online with a professionally designed website. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as this will make the following steps even easier. After you are on the Hostinger homepage, look for the section labeled My Account. This option is typically visible at the top of the page. Click on My Account to access your personal user dashboard. Here you will find helpful resources and various account management options, allowing you to control and update your account details with ease. Once you have accessed your account, the next step is to navigate to the home area of the Hostinger platform. This part of the site is designed as a central hub for all your hosting needs, so settle in and explore the clearly defined sections available. As you continue through your journey on the website, slowly direct your attention to the billing section. Click on billing to see all the information related to invoices, payment history, and available payment options associated with your account. This is an essential step because it provides you with a clear view of your financial interactions on the platform. Within the billing area, you will eventually find a subsection devoted to payment methods. This section is where Hostinger allows you to manage and add various forms of payment to ensure that your transactions are secure and up to date. Once you have located payment methods, click on it to enter the dedicated payment management area. Now that you have reached the payment method section, the next action is to click on the option that prompts you to add a new payment method. This is a simple but important maneuver that will open the field for new entries. You will then be presented with different types of payment options. Select the payment method that best suits your needs from the options provided. Each option is typically accompanied by a clear label and icon, so take your time to choose the one that you are most comfortable using. With your preferred payment method selected, focus on entering the required details accurately. Information such as your card number, expiry date, and any additional details will be requested. Make sure that all the details are input correctly to avoid any issues with future transactions. Once you are confident that the information provided is complete and correct, click on the final confirmation button to add your card. This action completes the process, and Hostinger will now securely save your new payment method in your account. By following these steps, you have successfully added a payment method to your Hostinger account, ensuring a smooth process for any future billing and transactions. Enjoy your continued experience with Hostinger while managing your account with ease.